How to turn on or turn off 8K recording when mirroring in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app. And from here, tap on the control button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we scroll down and tap on Camera Assistant. From here, we then scroll down to the video section and tap on 8K recording when mirroring. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on. Switch this off. Now set that when you turn on, you allow 8K recording when mirroring through Smart View or HDMI connection. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.